not taken resolution or it is kept in abeyance.
It has been kept in abeyance.
So no permission in taking property.
No. Anyway, there is a lot of time in hand because there is a direction from collector that till 15th of October no road cutting. That is anyway is in effect. As far as corporation taking decision is concerned, we still have time in hand. That request from that agency has come. Now all the honorable corporators will sit and discuss. The map has been circulated, that route map has been circulated with everybody. So maybe next meeting when they come, they'll come with proper study and they'll take a call.
Second, you see about the fresh pay parking issue. So whether you will go ahead with this pay parking issue.
In today's corporation meeting, it has been decided to take up a study first to identify all those locations where we can go ahead with the pay parking issue. Second point was to how to enable parking for permanent residents, because in our city there are residential areas and commercial areas together and space is limited. So corporation needs to decide about that also. So these two things will be studied over next 1 month, and in the next corporation meeting this matter will be discussed again.
What about floats and floats today?
The flooding was there. City flooding.
So this is the extreme rains which we have witnessed over the last 24 years. So it was expected, and this is also true that carrying capacity of our drains is limited. You would appreciate the point that over the last 20-25 years there has been a lot of concretization in the city. When there is a lot of concretization in any city, there is large runoff of water. That means big quantity of water, instead of percolating underground, comes in the drains. And these drains were constructed 100 years ago, so its carrying capacity is limited. So there is a need to redo all the drains. We need to put up bigger and better drainage infrastructure in place. So today we have decided to prepare you can say concept house, right? So hygiene is to be maintained. Let's understand this. And if Gada has been shifted to Don Bosco, near Don Bosco school, that is the right place which we have identified right now. We do not have free open spaces in the city. Okay, and it's our responsibility to maintain that area clean, which we are doing. Our team is on the job 24 hours. But things like this, everybody should understand, all the residents of the city must appreciate this fact that two things should not be mixed up unnecessarily. We have toilets in our house. We have drains, gutters under our house, right? But that does not affect our health because we know how to maintain hygiene. Similarly, if gadas are operating from there, municipal authorities have to ensure that those areas are cleaned properly and no dumping of garbage of any kind is allowed anywhere.
At the same time, instruction should be issued to the toilet manager because nauseating smell.
We are doing it, sir. We are doing it.
Before that also you must have known the drains were been reconstructed and they were clean. Still there was today logging of water.
This kind of rain, with the size of drains that you have, there will be water logging. That cannot be helped. But you must appreciate that within half an hour of rain stopping, water has receded.
It was because of low tide. If there was high tide, water would have stood there.
There was high tide around 10, 11.
But then
there was high tide.
Water receded after that.
Yes.
Yeah.
So what about the gadas near Don Bosco school?
They'll continue at Don Bosco because Town Vending Committee has identified that as hawkers zone, and our responsibility is to keep that area clean so that no one gets disturbed unnecessarily. I'm sending team almost every day and I'm taking reports from them, and it's our responsibility to keep that area clean.
So there are certain
sitting nearby the market area, that hawker zone. The parking of people coming over there will be a lot of parking over there, and there is a congestion of
Parking is not permitted on the road, and we have made this communication to traffic police also. So they have to regulate the parking in the city.
The major problem there is what, sir, right in front of the toilet, this gadas have been parked. And people refuse to have anything because it might find any contamination. Because
so that these gada owners, they have to ensure that they maintain proper hygiene, and as you have highlighted this problem, it was highlighted by honorable corporator also. So I'll send my sanitary inspectors and we will see if we can.
If they can
They are
escape.
using that toilet water also to wash the dishes and all
Correct.
those things in this gadawalas.
No, I mean, if such complaints will be there, then we will ensure that those
There
gada
are
owners,
some,
they do not operate from there, because
Yeah.
hygiene is very important. See, the hawkers zone has come up because there is direction from Honorable
Yeah,
Supreme
that-
Court that livelihoods of small hawkers should not get disturbed. That is why we have organized them at one hawker zone. But at the same time, if they are also